All right, so good morning and welcome to next video on the topic of collisions. So very important topic for JEE mains and NEET, and if you are new to class 11th. So in this you have two bodies traveling with the velocities v1 and v2, and they have different masses. They collide and they connect, which means they combine into a single mass system. So if you see, there is no external force and therefore the momentum should remain conserved. What is key in this question is the vector notation, right? Velocity has been written as a vector, and the expectation from the question is that you should be able to write the vector notation of the answer and find the magnitude and angle. So the whole focus of the question is not only understanding the concepts of conservation of momentum, but also the fact that you should be strong in vector algebra. So you can see on the left hand side, the momentum before the collision is mentioned, and after the collision, when the body becomes m1 plus m2, a common body, v common has been written. You can see the calculations of the unit vector notation in A, when the magnitude has been calculated, a square plus b square under root, and tan theta is equal to b by a. So more focus on vector, and knowledge of vector algebra will really help you clear these exams smoothly. Thank you.